Hey there, review fans. This is Sean, your resident tech expert and food guy from 911 Reviews, with an exciting new item for your kitchen. It's a 10-in-1 smart pressure cooker by Simfonio. I asked Adam if I could do this review because I love cooking and I've never used one of these before, so I'm excited. Let's get it unboxed and set up, and I'll go over the features and accessories. First off, a word on safety. I think many people have this impression of pressure cookers as being some kind of squealing monstrosity that their grandma used to tenderize mutton, and that they're an accident waiting to happen. Well, I'm happy to tell you that this is not your grandma's pressure cooker. It's got almost a dozen different safety features and fail-safes. It's electric, so everything is computer controlled, making it safe and easy for anybody to use. And speaking of computer controlled, you can do some real high precision cooking, and not just under pressure. The 10-in-1 refers to the many uses this has to prepare delicate and tricky food in a really simple way. You can make fluffy rice, perfect boiled eggs, even yogurt. All things that require very precise temperatures and timings. You can also use it as a slow cooker, which brings me to my test recipe, the Boat Captain's special Cannonball chili with 10.5 herbs and spices. Something I would normally slow cook, but the instructions came with a chili setting, so I wanted to see the difference. And stick around to the end and I'll show you how it turned out. But first, let me show you the accessories and some benefits of pressure cooking things. We've got a steaming basket and silicone hot pad gloves, which are amazing by the way, and fun. Measuring cup, extra gasket, and a ladle and a rice paddle. This thing has so many functions and uses that I'm not going to cover it all, but you pretty much just use the dial to pick what you want and click it twice to start. You can also customize a timer or set a delay. And the lid makes a chime for lock and unlock, so you know when you're good to go. Some benefits of pressure cooking: foods retain most of their nutrients and are a little tastier. It saves a lot of energy, saves time in preparing meals up to 70% faster. It gives off less heat, so the kitchen is cooler and there's less cleaning required. Pressure cookers can also be used to preserve food. So check out the link below if you want to get one for yourself or that cook or chef in your family. And after using this, I honestly think it's an essential item for every fully stocked kitchen. So versatile and easy. So back to the Boat Captain's chili. It turned out great. Everything was super tender and done in 45 minutes. And this would normally take about 3 hours to get the peppers that tender in a slow cooker. I also intentionally left some jalapeno seeds in to see if they would soften, which normally I wouldn't do. But even those, well, they were surprisingly soft. Also, the taste of fresh bell pepper cut through more, which was nice. The chili wasn't as thick and not as sweet as when you simmer it for a long time. The tomatoes sweeten up and liquid evaporates in a slow cooker. But I also didn't add sugar or molasses, which is an option if you want to use the pressure cooker. Or just pressure cook it and then set it to simmer for another 45 minutes, and you'll have magical chili in half the time. So check out the description below for links to get one for yourself or as a gift. If this video gets enough views and likes, maybe I'll think about posting my recipe. But I don't know, it's pretty secret. So hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. Adios. And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.